Welcome back to a brand new week. Hope everybody had a happy 4th of July weekend if you live in the United States of America. And if you're celebrating the 4th abroad, if you may happen to be from America, I hope you had a good one. All right, so the stock market, as I presumed, would get off to a good start this week. It got off, in my opinion, to a great start today. We are more than likely still in a bear market. I'm not getting excited over this, but you gotta make hay when the sun is shining. So if you look at my portfolio here, I sold off a couple of positions today, so my balance is down a little bit. When you sell your position, when you clear that out and sell it and take your profits or your loss or whatever, it will subtract that from your balance showing on your portfolio right there. So but as you can see, I'm up $22.68 on the day, which is 2.89%. And my stocks owned, I'm up on Terran Orbital 6.49%. Nvidia, I'm up 3%. That's on the day, not overall. Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm down 1.49%. Loyalty Ventures, I'm down 6.8%. All right. Now, the gigantic news of the day is this beast right here, Carvana. If you don't know what Carvana is, it's an automobile sales company. They actually sell vehicles through their e-commerce car lot. I call it an e-commerce car lot. You can search their store, purchase a vehicle online, and they will deliver it to your driveway or parking lot. They really have kind of led the way in that industry, and so they're, even with this what I call a recession, or what I think is now a recession, and after the pandemic, they still are doing well, especially with the demand of used cars going way up. They're doing really well, and because of that, their stock is somewhat volatile. It's actually very volatile. And I missed the boat. I dropped the ball on this one. I knew Carvana was going to go back up. I didn't know it was going to go back up this soon, but I knew it was going to go back up. So let me show you what I mean here. Now, it is in a downward slope on the year, but if you look at the past 30 days, look at all these peaks and valleys here. If we go back to June, early June, around the 5th or 6th, it was trading at $26, right around $26, and then it dipped to $24, and then it went back up to $26.60 or 84 cents. All right, so it's down a little over 1% on the month. From there, it dipped all the way down to 26% down on the month, and then it made a run. Now keep this in mind. Let's do the math on this. You're down 26%. You go up to being down 8%. So that's an increase of 18%. I know you'll check my math out there. Let me make sure I got that right. All right, yeah, 18% right there. So you could have caught that wave right there. $1,000 would have gained you $180 in a matter of 2 days. All right, it takes another dive. It goes from $24.79 a share down to $21.13 a share by the 16th, which is 22% down on the month. Then it does nothing but go up. Okay, you go up from you're 22 down, then it goes up to 1% down. So that's a 20 to 21% gain in just 5 days. Hold up, 16th to the 21st. Yeah, 5 days. That is a 20% gain. That's huge. Then it dips a little bit, but you're still riding it up. So let's look at this. Let's just say if you held on to it, you put 1,000 in right here on the 16th, it's down 22%. You ride it, you hold on to it from the 16th to the 27th, 11 days, right? Okay, 22% down. You go all the way up to your 18% in the positive. 22% down, 18% up right here. So that is 40%. That is a 40% gain in 11 days. So you would have made, with $1,000 invested on a swing trade, you would have made $400 flat, 400 even, in 11 days. Having your money, and see, here's the thing, people. We have to, and this is not for everybody, but if you have the mindset of, instead of working for money, you want to get to a point in life where you want your money to work for you. It's not something you can probably do overnight. Depending on the average person, can't start doing that overnight. But if you have that mindset and you start off by having, your emergency fund in place of $1,000, and then after that, working on 3 to 6 months of all your expenses in the bank, put back, and then build your, what I call, play money, your investing money. Or, I mean, you could dip into your savings if you feel comfortable. Nobody can tell you what to do. I am not a financial expert. This is not financial advice. This is just what I have done and how I recommend. If you don't know where to start or where to go, you can't go wrong with a $1,000 emergency fund. Most people don't have that put back. So I didn't mean to get sidetracked there, but yeah, you don't want to invest money in the stock market that you need for paying your bills. I don't care what kind of bill it is. Do not use that money to invest in the stock market or crypto market, or any of these opportunities that you're looking at to make a change. You want to build a foundation, a support level, so to speak, before you make that jump. All right, so here we go. Carvana dips down, it comes. See, the thing about it, when it goes up, it does come down pretty quickly. And so we're back down to about 21% down on the month. And then today it shot up 20%. I was not expecting that on Tuesday morning, but it shot up, and a lot of people rolled it down and back up, way up here, down and back up. And if they were buying and selling through this process, man, I tell you what, a lot of people made a lot of money on Carvana. I mean, a lot of money trading, whether they're swing trading or day trading. Some people made bank on this stock. I just wanted to share this with you, and I wanted you to this is kind of how I research stocks. I look at the simple graph. I don't go into all the the RSI and the 20-day moving average. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, and actually that's not a bad thing to do, but it's not something I have gotten into. I don't feel like it's completely necessary when you're swing trading, especially. Now, if you're a day trader, that if you develop that skill and you can apply it to your trading strategy, then have at that. And maybe one day I may look at doing that, but for now I'm a swing trader. All right, that's all I have for y'all this evening, man. Y'all have a good rest of the evening. I will and hit that notification bell, because I'm gonna have 3 or 4 more videos at least this week. Leave some comments below. What are your experiences here lately in the stock market? If you have any questions, I will do my best to respond to all of them. And there you go. I'll see y'all later.